update from National Law University Bhopal regarding the availability of vacancies. As we already know, students those who have written Clat 2023 examination have already allocated seats in various counseling dates, but for those students who did not got allocation, for the convenience of those, individual universities are releasing the available vacancies in their own websites. So for the convenience of our students, we at Abhyaas Lawprep has created a dedicated portal, dedicated page where we can get the available seats of all national law universities under one single page. So in the Google, just type NLU Vacancies 2023. A page will appear, a link will appear. Click on the link. So a page will appear. This is the page where you can get updates of all the available vacancies under various universities. So this is the page. So directly from this page, you can open the notification and you can apply for the various universities. So today we have an update from National Law University of Bhopal. So here they have released the available vacancies. Let us have a look. So overall, under BA LLB program, Bhopal University has released 2 vacancies. Under general category, we have 1 vacancy, and under SC category, we have 1 vacancy. But they did not specify any ranks. That means those whoever are interested to enter into National Law University of Bhopal, so if they have written Clat 2023 examination, they can apply for this university under with any rank. So any category people, general, EWS, OBC, ST, SC, anyone can apply for this university. And if in future, if any vacancies arises, so those candidates who have applied through this particular notification, only their candidature will be considered. So no new notification will be given. And you for that you need to deposit a fee of 50,000 rupees. So the last date is that 4th July 2023 5 p.m. That means before 5 p.m. 4th July you need to pay the amount and you need to fill the Google form. So you need to deposit 50,000 rupees. If you got seat allocation, all this money will be adjusted with the amount of fee you need to pay for the university. If you did not get any seat allocation, 49,000 rupees will be refunded. Only 1,000 rupees will be keeping for processing purpose. That means overall you have to pay 50,000. If you got seat allocation, your 50,000 will be adjusted with the total payable fee. If you don't get any seat allocation, 1,000 rupees will be refunded. So that means 1,000 rupees is the fee, but you need to pay 50,000 in advance. So this is the condition kept by NLU Bhopal. Then where we have to apply here. So this is the payment link. First click on this payment link. It will be directing to a particular website. Here you need to fill all your details, name, father name, email ID, phone number, and the details of the payment. For what purpose you are paying this particular fee. So it is about expression of admission 2023, expression of interest fee. This is about admission 2023, expression of interest fee, and sub details of the payment. It is under which category, resident, NRI, no specific category he mentioned here. So as of the date, here simply they mentioned fill the expression of interest from Google through Google form latest by 2023. So that means here you need not pay anything here. The amount you need to pay 50,000 rupees as per directed. 50,000 rupees full payment or partial full payment, because this is the amount expression of interest. So sub details will not be noted. It is any, you can keep anything. So this is the payment which is directed by NLU Bhopal. And after filling this, if you pay, receipt will be generated, and that receipt you need to download, and this is the Google form you have to fill. So all your details. As of now, only BA LLB program has vacant seats, but BSc LLB Cyber Security has no vacant seats as per the guidelines given by the NLU Bhopal. So vacant seats are available only under BA LLB only. So after paying, you need to fill all your details again: your email ID, name of the applicant, the course applying for BA LLB, the date of birth, and the category which you are applying for. General, OBC, SC, etc. anything, and your gender, father name, mother name, having whether you have Madhya Pradesh domicile or not, your telephone number, Clat 2023 card number, admit card number, your scorecard, all India rank, and the payment details here, payment reference number or UTR, and the date of payment, and the account holder name. Because if after paying 50,000, if you did not get any seat allocation, 49,000 will be refunded, right? So you need to mention the name of the account holder and the name of the bank, account number, branch, and address. So under into which bank you need to get the refund, you need to fill all those details here. After that, you have to click on submit. With this, your candidature will be registered with NLU Bhopal, and if you got selected, that 50,000 will be adjusted with the fee, or if you did not selected, your 49,000 rupees will be refunded back. So this is what NLU Bhopal has said, mentioned in this particular notification. And in this notification, you need to keep in mind, this is only for BA LLB. BSc LLB has not available as of now. And one particular thing mentioned by NLU Bhopal is that hostel facility will not be given for Madhya Pradesh domicile candidates, those who are living nearby Bhopal University, because of limitation in available seats. So this is the thing which is mentioned in the notification. If you have any doubts, you can always contact us at Abhyaas Lawprep. In the description section, we will keep our phone numbers and our website link, so that you can always reach us at particular for getting any detailed information. So utilize this opportunity, but keep in mind you need to pay 50,000 in advance for that. If you get allocation, your payment will be adjusted. If you don't get allocation, 49 will be refunded. So effectively you are paying 1,000 rupees for this particular application of vacancy. So utilize this opportunity if you did not get any allocation under various counseling procedures. Thank you and all the best.